Yes, everyone, I am Edward Derubio Pante, 17 years old, coming all the way from Taytay, Rizal.
Hi, ginawa number 3. You're from Taytay. Okay, so tell us something interesting about yourself and introduce Taytay here in the city of Antipolo at least.
So to introduce myself, first of all, I am an ABM student. My name is Edward Derubio Pante. My name comes from the meaning of fortune or fortuna, which means luck and hard work. And as an ABM student, my goal is to become a future entrepreneur and a businessman. And I not just work for myself in the future, but I also work for the people, for the next generation, to help the sick, the poor, and the young. And I am from Taytay, Rizal. And to introduce Taytay, Rizal to all of you, Taytay, Rizal is like no other. Of course, Rizal has a lot of municipalities, and they represent each of their traditions and culture. And if I were to represent one culture of Taytay, Rizal to you, it would be the Hambaka Festival. The Hamba, Makina, and Kabuhayan.
Hello. Since sumali ka dito sa Ginoong Antipolo, for you, ano yung pinaka-goal mo if ever na manalo ka as Ginoong Antipolo?
I think I believe that everyone is here to win. Well, yeah, that is my top priority, which is to win. But I'm not just here to win, but also to use the stage as a door to open up to people. Of course, I joined pageants just to win, but along the way, I realized that when I join pageants, I get to stand on the stage and not just win, but to speak in front of a lot of people. And I realized this is an opportunity, a big opportunity for me to stand as a role model, to be a good example in front of the people right in front of me, especially the youngsters out here. Not being able to open up what they feel, but now I'm in front of them, standing, advocating for them, and inspiring more